How to fix can't change brightness in Windows 11. Hello friends, you might be stuck in a situation where brightness on your Windows 11 PC can be changed by no means. Keyboard function key to change the brightness stops working. You can't find brightness control slider either in the display settings or quick settings panel. On your computer, these brightness sliders are absent, not visible. Thankfully, there is one or two ways to get rid of this issue. Follow the steps. The first method is update display adapter driver. To do this, right click on Start, select Device Manager, double click on Display Adapters to expand it. Right click on the device under Display Adapters and select Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. Once done, close the pop-up and close the device manager and restart your computer. See if the problem is solved. If this method doesn't work and the issue still persists, then nothing to worry about. Uninstall display adapter driver. Right click on Start again. Again select Device Manager. Again go to Display Adapters by double clicking. Right click on the display adapter driver and select Uninstall device. A confirmation dialog prompts. Leave this box unchecked. Don't check this box and click on Uninstall. Close the device manager and restart your computer. During restarting, the display adapter driver will be reinstalled. One thing is notable that on my computer AMD Radeon TM graphics is available. On your computer it may be Nvidia graphics or Intel graphics. Do the same in both the cases. The issue should be fixed now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.